today we are going to build our interactive notebook, and the materials that you need are the packet of information from your group folder, your notes notebook, and a pencil. What I would like you to do is make sure that you have your name either on the front cover or on the inside cover, and we're going to go ahead and start to number and label our pages. The first part will be Costa's questions, or Costa's Q, page 1. Every page on the right-hand side of your notebook will be an odd number. On the left-hand side, when you flip the page, should be page 2, note repetition. On the right-hand side, page 3, math metacognition. On the left-hand side, page 4, again an even number. All left-hand side pages are even numbers, problem solving. And then on the right-hand side, types of errors, page 5. I want you to flip to the very back of your notes notebook, and I would like you to write vocabulary 7th grade. Please pause to verify that you've labeled and numbered each page. I want you to go back to the very beginning where it says page 1, Costa's questions, and I would like you to take the clip off your packet and find this paper, Costa's levels of math questioning. What I would like you to do is fold it in half so the writing's on the inside. We're going to glue it into our notebook. Now when you use a glue stick, make sure you twist the end so the glue comes out. I want you to make an X or maybe even make a square or a rectangle around the outside perimeter. And then I would like you to glue it in so the fold is toward the spine of your notes notebook. Please make sure you do not cover up Costa's Q or the page number 1. What this will do is this will allow you to open up to be able to access the questions, but also jot down any ideas over the course of the school year. I would like you to go ahead and turn to page 2, which is on the left-hand side, and I would like you to find this page where it says Note Repetition, Cornell Notes, Quality Repetition, Better Grades. What I'm going to have you do again is fold it in half so the writing's on the inside. I would like you to put a little glue on the back side, again an X, or maybe do a square or a rectangle around the perimeter. And when you glue it into your notes notebook, please make sure again that the fold is to the spine of your notes notebook. Then I'm going to have you take a look at math metacognition, which is this paper right here, math metacognition. I would like you to fold it in half so the writing's on the inside. Again, put that glue on the back and glue it into your notes notebook so that fold is toward the spine of your notes. Again, opening up so I can access both pages. I want you to open it up one more time. We're going to put our problem solving paper that looks like this. Go ahead and put a little glue on the back. And you want to glue that just right inside your notes notebook like that. And then our types of errors on the right-hand side, page 5, looks like this. Again, put a little glue on the back side and then glue that right in. Go ahead and pause so you can verify that you've glued those items in. Then what I would like you to do is flip to the back where we have our math vocab. I would like you to find this sheet, which says Smarter Balance Assessment Vocabulary, just letting you know these are all the vocab words that you will have access to this year and more. So what I would like you to do is fold it so the writing's on the inside, again putting a little glue on the back side, and then gluing it so the fold is at the center of your notes notebook toward that spine. Okay, go ahead and pause and verify that you have folded and added in that vocabulary for 7th grade. Then what I would like you to do is open it back up to page 5 where it says types of errors. What we're going to do is we're going to glue in our tab, which is either yellow for 2nd, 5th, and 6th period, or it would be green for 1st period. What I would like you to do is go ahead and flip the page, types of errors. You're going to go ahead, put a 6 on the left-hand side, and then put a 7 on the right-hand side. How we add in a tab, or we call our table of contents, is that we're going to fold this tab right along this point right here. So this particular line that divides our title of our block number, you're going to fold it right on that line. Now it's not going to be exactly in half. What's going to happen is it's going to look like this. You're going to have a little flap here for vocabulary, and on the back will be our targets and the page number where we'll find those in our notes notebook. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up page 7 and you're going to place the tab kind of right over it. Pretend like this is a mouth and you're going to eat page 7 with this tab. You're going to put it right over the top. Now we don't want to put it flush to the side because it is a tab. So what I'm going to ask you to do is pull it out a little bit so you can see that it hangs off just a little bit off the side. You're going to put a little glue on the back of the vocab portion so it stays on page 7. And then when you flip it over to where the targets are, what I would like you to do is go ahead and put a little glue down so the targets are right here. And just so you know, this page would be page 8. I would like you to go ahead and pause and verify that you have these items. Again, I'll go through one more time to verify. Page number 1 should be that cost us questions. Page number 2 should be note repetition. Page number 3 will be math metacognition. Page 4 is the problem solving. Page 5 is the type of errors. Page 6 will be blank for now. And 7 is where the vocab comes for our unit. And the tab where the learning targets are, again, yellow for period 2, 5, and 6. This tab will be green for period 1. This should be right on page 8. Verify at the back will be our vocabulary for 7th grade.